thanks for tuning into my channel. This is your host Mahathi. So welcome back to episode 8 of Maintenance Monday with Mahathi, and in this video I'm going to show you what are the things you should carry when you're out for a ride. So the first thing you need to carry when you're out for a ride is a multi-tool which has different sizes of Allen keys and screwdrivers. This multi-tool doesn't have all the Allen keys, but this will be useful for many of the parts of my bike, so I carried this multi-tool. The second thing you need to carry is a spare tube. Spare tube is really important. It's better you carry a spare tube always while on a ride outdoors, because you never know. You should be God level lucky for not getting a flat tire, and always try to carry 2 spare tubes. I only carry 1 because you never know, you might also get 2 punctures in one ride, so it's better you carry 2 tubes while you go on a ride. And if you don't know how to change the tube, please check out in the I button. I have already made a video about it, and it's a really simple process to change a tube. And it's really important for everyone to learn how to change a tube, because sometimes you might need to ride alone, and at that time you should be confident that you can change a tube by yourself and you can go for a happy ride. And the spare tube is of no use if you don't have a puncture kit, because without a puncture kit the tire won't come out of your wheel. So it's better to carry a puncture kit which has some patches and the levers to open the tire and a glue fix. It's better you carry a new tube always, because you might not find the sources to make a puncture repair. So now you have a tube, also a puncture kit to replace the tube. But how will you inflate the tube if you don't have a hand pump? I know it's really difficult to pump the tube to certain pressure using a hand pump, but yes, this is a very handy hand pump which you can carry easily in your jersey pocket, or you can have a separate pump gauge on your bike like your bottle gauge. The next one and really important one you need to carry out on a ride is some food. You can carry a fruit like banana which gives you instant energy, or also you can carry an oats bar. The final and important one is do carry a water bottle so that you'll be hydrated in the whole ride, and also if you carry a water bottle you can refill it anywhere, so it's important you carry a water bottle too. So these are the things which are really important to carry with you when you're out for a ride. So that's all for the day. Hope you have liked the video. If you have liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it yet. If you have any maintenance related suggestions or doubts, you can comment down in the comment section below using a hashtag Maintenance Monday with Mahathi. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, haste raho, hasate raho, jahan bhi raho, muskurate raho. Goodbye, take care.